Students, let's compare using greater than, less than or equal to sign. The first example is 7 by 8 should be compared to 2 by 3. As the numerator and denominators are different, we will do it step by step. The first step is to find the LCM of 8 and 3. Let's find the LCM using the division method. 8 and 3. 8 is divisible by 2, so we will first divide it by 2. 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so we will write down 4. We cannot divide 3 by 2, so just bring down 3. Again, 4 is divisible by 2, so let's divide it by 2 again. 2 times 2 is 4 and bring down 3. 2 is divisible by 2, so 2 times 1 is equal to 2 and bring down 3. 3 being a prime number itself, 3 is divisible by 3. Bring down 1 and 3 times 1 is 3. So we have got the LCM of 8 and 3 as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 24. Now let's convert the fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 24. 7 by 8. To make the denominator as 24, we should multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. Similarly, the other fraction 2 by 3, to make the denominator as 24, we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by 8. So we have got equivalent fractions as 7 times 3 is equal to 21 by 24 and 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 16 by 24. Now both the fractions are converted into equivalent fractions, so we can compare easily. The denominators are same, so the greater numerator becomes the greater fraction. As you can see, 21 by 24 is a greater fraction than 16 by 24. Hence we can say that 7 by 8 is a greater fraction than 2 by 3. I hope students you have understood this sum well. Students, let's take another example to compare two fractions with different numerators and denominators. As you can see in this example, 9 by 10 and 7 by 8 both have different denominators. So first step we have to do is find the LCM of their denominators. So let's find the LCM of 10 and 8 using the division method. Since 10 and 8 both are divisible by 2, so let's divide by 2. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, so write down 5. And 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so write down 4. Now we can divide 5 by 5. 5 1 times is 5, bring down 4. We cannot divide 4 by 5. Next step. 4 is divisible by 2, so let's divide it by 2. 2, bring down 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Now again, for the last time, let's divide 2 by 2. Bring down 1 and 2 1 times is 2, so write down 1. We have got the LCM as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 40. Now we have to convert both the fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 40. The fraction 9 by 10. 10 can be converted into 40 if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. We will get a fraction with denominator 40. Similarly, the fraction 7 by 8. 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by 5 to get the denominator as 40. Now, let's find their equivalent fraction. 9 times 4 is equal to 36 and 10 times 4 is equal to 40. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35 and 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. Now we have got two equivalent fractions with the same denominator 40. Now it's very easy for us to compare. When the denominators are same, The greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 36 by 40 is a greater fraction than 35 by 40. Hence, we can conclude that 9 by 10 is a greater fraction than 7 by 8. I hope students you have learned to compare fractions with different denominators. Follow the steps carefully and get your answer.